Oh, I got a paper cut. Hey guys, you've just seen another video by Mikey Angelo. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please rate it 5 stars or favorite it, or add me as a friend, or recommend me to your other friends. If you would like to know how to make your own paper crane, click this video right here. Also, my most recent video is this drawing right here. Click my face to see the speed drawing of the creation. Also, for everyone Assyrian listening to this video, Shalom Aleichem U'Basima Rabba.